Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can run any Python project which is built using Django in a macOS or Linux environment. So for this demo I'm going to use something that is on GitHub. So this is the project. So this project uses three technologies: Python, HTML and CSS. In the backend you need MySQL to run this project. So I have the link to this project in the description. You can download this file, and the first step to run the project would be download the zip file. So I have the zip file here. Yeah, this is the zip file. So I double click this file to get this file, that is the extracted file. So in this file I have the necessary code to run the project, and this is a SQL file that is used to rebuild the database in MySQL. The first step would be open a terminal on this folder and create a virtual environment to run this project. So if you don't have virtual environment installed, you can just install it with the command pip install virtual env. So I already have virtual env, so I'm gonna create a virtual environment env by the name env. So this will create a virtual environment. I'll zoom in. If I see the files which are in the folder, the files are the environment files and the project files. So the next step would be activate this virtual environment. We do that in macOS, that's source env/bin/is activate. Yeah, the environment is now active. In the museum file we have another museum file which has the main file, that is it's missing. Right. Yeah, this file, that is manage.py. So I'll cd museum. So I have manage.py. This is the command to run the project when all things are set up. So you can see there's an error because I did not install Django in my virtual environment. So I just cd dot, no, I can install it. Pip install Django. So this project is built using Django version 3.2.4. so if I use Django 4, so there are gonna be errors. So I'll install the specific version of Django. Oh shit. Okay, now let's try the same command. Yeah, so this project also needs MySqlClient, was installed in the virtual environment. So I'll install it using MySqlClient pip. Yeah, MySqlClient is now installed. I have to run this project. I'll try the command again. Yeah, the project is Python projects which don't have a MySQL would run by these steps. So if you have a database in your project or a project. So in this project, yeah, we have a database. So the database is by name museum, and these are the credentials to log in into the MySQL system. So let's say I change, so demo, the database demo is not in my MySQL project. So when I run this server, see, there's no database in my MySQL. So to create a database, I'll use a terminal. MySQL. So I don't have demo database on my MySQL, so I'll create demo. Create database demo, and now I have demo database. So now when I try to run the project, so the server has started. So let's go to the project. So I get an error that there are no tables. So I can restore all the tables using this SQL dbdump file. So I open a new terminal. I have the SQL dbdump file. So MySQL So MySQL, I'm logging into MySQL with the username root, and I'm using a password, so I include /p. So this will ask me for a password. If you don't have a password, don't include this /p. So I'm restoring all the tables from SQL dbdump into the database demo. So yeah, all the tables are restored. So the project is now running. So if you encounter any additional errors, there are 2 more additional steps you can use. So in this, so you will have some pending migrations which have to be applied before the project can be running. Make migrations, and now I can migrate.